Hi everyone, welcome to Diva India. So first of all, wish you happy new year to all of you. So today we are going to integrate Apache and Tomcat with the help of Proxy Pass models. And if you are new in my channel, so please subscribe my channels to get valuable content. So first of all, everyone know that like Apache is a web service and Tomcat is a application service. So here I'm going to integrate Apache with Tomcat. Okay. So I have got two servers. Let me increase my server font so you can easily view. Okay. So I'm getting some connection issue. Let me log in again. Let me check the IP first. It is one server is 139 and another VM is 138. So 139 is my web service. Let me accept, enter password. I'm closing my VMware. Yeah, it is running on background. So now let me log in another service, which is 138. It is application servers. So now I just log in both the servers. Let me increase the font size. Let me increase the application server's font size. So now I just log in. This is my app server. Web server IP address. App server IP address. I have web servers. Port 8080. Here is port 443. So let me begin. So first of all, we have to check both the services is running or not. So let me try. So application IP is 138. So now see my application server is running and web server is 39 and it is HTTPS. Let me add advanced. Let me check the service. So I just start and stop the service. So now see, this is my web server. Welcome to DY India Tech with SSL. And this is application servers, which is I think is not running. Let me check. So here is IP is 138. Thing is wrong. So I need to put like 138 colon. So now my both the URL is working. So let me copy both the URLs. This is the web servers and this is application servers. So as we want to access our this application page with the help of these URLs. Okay. So once we integrate with the web server to application servers, so we can able to access for these URLs this application page. So currently it's not integrated. So let me check USR local Apache 2 logs. So here is my logs. So see currently is not integrated. It is page is coming only through web servers. So if you know how to install Apache Tomcat or Apache, you can check my previous video. So if you want, I will share the video link in descriptions. Apache CTLs log. So let's see. So now I'm accessing this individual page. Now see the logs. And this is the web servers. Now when we try to access this, it is coming from here. So it is not coming here, okay? So let me try to integrate, okay? So here we are using Proxy Pass. So this is application servers. So we don't want to do anything in the application servers. Only just make the configuration in this web servers. So let me do it. So to integrate HTTP port, application HTTP port 8080. Okay. So we require two modules. One is mode underscore proxy.so. Another module is mode underscore http.so. HTTP is required because we are integrating like HTTP port. Okay, so that's the reasons. And mod proxy is a modules. With these modules, we are integrate proxy pass. Okay, so let me do it. So just open this config file. So here is proxy pass, HTTP proxy pass, and this is mod proxy. So module this mod underscore proxy, and second module is mod underscore proxy underscore HTTP. These two modules we have to enable. So I just save it. Let me verify. So once you edit HTTPD on files, so then you have to check syntax. Okay, now syntax is okay. Use -m, then you can see the module's name. Okay. So let me grab that modules because we don't know, because here's a lot of modules is there, so we can easily grab this modules mod or -i proxy. Okay, so we just grab proxy modules, and another is HTTP modules. So this module is loaded. Now this is, we have configured this load the modules. Now we have to come in your ssl.conf. Here we have to put an entry. Okay, simply. So we have to put a 2 lines entry. So simple, just copy your URLs, whatever URL is there. So I'm just copy here, and in reverse also you have to copy. So we will create a two proxy pass. So this two entries simply we have to paste here. Okay. So I just make this two entry and just save it. And now we have to check the syntax. Now syntax is okay. Let me graceful. Okay, now we have done the graceful. So let me check. So see, this is my application service and this is my web service. Let me stop and start. So we have to enter URL https:// and then IP address 39. Now see, the URL is earlier is working like simple page, now is getting this application page here. And if you see that the port is not coming, okay, the port is bypass. Okay, so to remove this port we use proxy pass and we get that URLs in web servers. So to cross validate, we check the logs. Let me check the logs. So this is the log. Let me both verify. So now see the both the servers is blank. So this is server 1 is a web server. Let me try to hit this site. So now see the request is came. It's showing 200. and here also it is coming. Okay. Let me cross check whether it is coming from here. As per the log is coming. So let me down this servers. You will see the message 503 service unreachable. So now it is showing service unreachable because we have taken a down application servers, not a web servers. So if the application server is down, you will get 503 service unreachables. Okay. So let me again on my application servers. So /start.sh you have to run and it will start. Now it is started. So let's see 503 is coming. Let me refresh my page. So now the successfully is loaded and we have done the integration successfully. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next video. Once again, Happy New Year to all of you. Thank you.